Now let me show you this mess. This is what it looks like. What's up, guys and ladies? Right now I'm in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and we're in a temporary night market that is running during the time of the Ramadan. And I found a snack that I've never seen before. It seems very strange. Are we gonna make it? Yeah, see you again. See you again. Hello. How are you? Oh. I just had some skewers here. Okay, so I found a snack that I think is a very unique, very weird, interesting, and I want to try it. So let's try and get there. It's very crowded. We're moving slowly, but hopefully we can make it and give it a try. Look at this crowd. We're barely moving. We're stuck in traffic. Check this out. These here, yeah, these are chicken carcasses. Chicken, deep fried chicken carcasses. You see the rib cage, and you got the neck and everything. Those are carcasses. Like they're hello. Huh? Chicken, yeah. The bones, right? Just the bones. This is very unique for me. But this is not the snack that we're here for. Maybe deep fried chicken carcasses will be for another day. But today, we're going for something, I was gonna say a little weirder, but probably as weird, but a little bit sweeter. Okay, I think I see it. I see it. It's right here. It's right here. Oh, we're back.
Banana cheese.
Banana cheese. So these are deep fried bananas, and he added some condensed sweet milk. Now he's grating some cheese on top of it. And then you can get some chocolate crumble or powder, chocolate crumbs or powder, and chocolate syrup, and Oreo. This is Oreo cookie and chocolate syrup. Oh man! And this is with cheese and chocolate syrup, and this is with cheese and chocolate syrup and Oreo.
Yeah.
And this one is with chili sauce and cheese and potato. Oh, this is potato. Okay. So can I have one of those, but with the chocolate? Oh yeah, and Oreo. Whoa, that's a lot of chocolate. This one, just Oreo crumbs. Hey, can I get this one?
8 ringgit.
8 ringgit. Hey, can I have more chocolate? Yeah. I can get this one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I will take this one. Yeah. This one. I can get this one. Hey, can I have a little bit more chocolate? Because I don't know. Feels like it's the prime ingredient. Okay. Thank you. 8 ringgits. Okay. Oh, that's messy.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. It's full of chocolate. Nice. How do I eat it? They give me a stick? I take a stick like this? Okay. I've tried to extend my selfie stick, but there's so many people. Now tell me this is not a strange snack. But now the problem is, because we're in this super crowded street, it's gonna be tricky to find a place where we can eat it. we're gonna try and find a place where I can sit down and eat it. All right, we're gonna sneak out of the busy area right here, and we're gonna go sit in front of that clothing store over there. Seems like we're not the only one looking for a spot to eat. Right here, we got a big open spot. Oh, by the way, I was exploring this market and doing a live stream on Twitch, and I got sniped. For those of you who don't know, it's like when someone finds you online while you're live and is able to locate you and meet you in person. And here's Itch here. He's also an IRL streamer. He's Malaysian and based in Malaysia. And so we talked online before, so it's not like it was like a creepy situation or whatnot, but he came to meet me. So now we're gonna try this, and now let me show you this mess. This is what it looks like. I have to hide behind it, otherwise it will focus on my face. Deep fried banana with cheese and chocolate and Oreo crumbs. It looks as weird as it sounds. You're gonna try, right?
Yeah, sure. Now?
All right. So let me grab a piece with a lot of everything. Here, like, let me put more cheese. All right. Wait, I have to turn it around. No, it's not a good view. Wait, I'm gonna. All right, like this. There you go. Oh man, I'm losing some of the cheese. It's actually not bad. It's actually not bad. If you like mix of sweet and salty, but I don't taste the cheese much. I'm not sure what kind of cheese they use, but I don't taste the cheese much. I mostly taste the chocolate and the Oreo and the banana. I taste the fried banana, but I don't taste the cheese much. You want to try it?
Sure. Let's try it.
You want more cheesy or more chocolatey? More chocolatey? Yeah, like this one here. Look. Yeah. The whole one. Yeah. It's big. It all comes with it. There you go. You can dip it in more chocolate and show your special bite. All right, we're getting ready. So, what do you think? It's not bad, right?
Yeah.
It's not bad at all. It looks and it sounds much worse than it actually is.
I don't taste this, but the chocolate flavor is good.
Yeah. The chocolate flavor is the most like dominant flavor. And then we can taste the fried banana a little bit. Well, I can taste the fried banana.
Yeah.
But the cheese, I feel like the cheese is just like texture. Like it adds a little kind of chewy texture to it, but it doesn't really change the taste. So I don't know, maybe they use like a very, let me actually just grab some just cheese like this. Okay, it's very salty cheese. So I think that's what gives the saltiness to it. It's a salty cheese. The banana is sweet, but because it's deep fried, it's probably a little bit salty as well. So yeah, you get the saltiness from a little bit from the fried banana, I can imagine, and mostly from the cheese, and then it's sweet. I taste the Oreo crumbs a little bit, but it mixes up with the chocolate. There's like a crunchiness, and it's nice. That's nice. I would actually have it again. You want one?
Sure. You don't mind?
No, of course not. This is a huge... Yeah, go for it.
Sure?
Yeah. Oh, that's the nicest one. All right, cool. You want to be like that? All right, that's cool. All right. One bite. Damn. All right. You did it. Yeah, those are. They put really big pieces of banana. I'm gonna get more of the chocolate and the Oreo crumbs stuck on the lid there. Is it good?
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. I recommend it, chat, if ever you happen to be in this part of the world. It looks weird, but it's worth it. One more?
Nah.
You're done?
Yeah.
It's messy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's also sweet because of the condensed milk.
Yeah. But I taste the chocolate is more strong.
Yeah. Yeah, the dominating flavor is definitely the chocolate. So, bing bong. From 0 to 5 bananas, what score would you give it? Yeah. 4?
With chocolate.
Yeah, I was gonna say the same thing. I would give it a 4 bananas out of 5. I'll put the score right here. 4 bananas out of 5. And we both give it the same score, so you can trust that it's true. But I can also imagine that people who just take banana and cheese, I can imagine that it's also good because the cheese is salty. I feel like it mixes well. But if I was taking only banana and cheese, I think I would want it to be like hot so the cheese will melt.
Yeah.
There are at least 2 shops selling this snack in this market alone. So I feel like it's a thing. It's not just like one weirdo who decided to, well, at one point it was probably one weirdo who decided to combine those things together. But I feel like it has to be something common-ish because there are 2 shops in this market selling it. Have you ever seen this elsewhere before?
Nearby my house, yeah.
Near your house?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's something you can find like in night markets and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Or, yeah? It was nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Have a good way back home. Bye. Oh shit, I forgot to do the conclusion of the video. So, I hope you found this snack interesting. If ever you happen to be in this part of the world, I recommended you to try it. Even though it sounds weird, you gotta try it. Worst case, you don't like it, so you don't eat it again. Anyways, I'll catch you in the next